351, forged rotating assembly, Phi-Tech EFI, Edelbrock air gap, poor financial decisions.
Yeah.
And I regret nothing.
And down in Mexico, you have too many tacos, double wide, you're good, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all these badass black gauges that look awesome, dude.
Like, the more I stare at this truck, I'm like, damn, I really love this truck, man. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back at Bent Tube Motorsports with Peter Nielsen over here. He's gonna take us through this beast. This truck was at Hell Track, and it's seen dirt a few times. Three times.
Yeah, Hell Track is a third.
This thing looks brand spanking new. This thing is beautiful. All right, Peter, let's check this thing out, man. Tell us about this truck. Tell us make, model, all that good stuff.
It's a 94 Ford Ranger.
Okay.
It is still original cab, equal length beams, same kit as Jack Bent Tube.
Okay, so this is Jack's full kit up here.
Exactly.
This is the one that's on his truck?
Exactly, same exact thing.
This is the original one that we put together. It's been on the truck for about 4.5, 5 years now.
Wow. And it's holding up the abuse, man.
Yeah.
Got 4.0 King Kongs up front.
Oh, damn.
Back. No air bumps up front. When Jack and I were building it, we ran out of room because the shocks were so big. And he said because there's such a massive bump zone.
Yeah, you're good.
4.0s. He said don't even worry about it. Sure, shit, he was right.
Yeah.
Because I have sent this thing pretty hard, and landings are just butter.
So what do you guys have, like a polyurethane bump at the end?
There's just a little, you can barely see it right here. There's a little urethane
bump zone
right
kind of
there.
thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, there it is right there.
The shock does a lot of the slowing, like a lot of the bumping, and then right at the end is when it hits that bump.
So how long was the build process?
About 2 years.
2 years.
It all started with a blown V6 in August of 2019.
Okay.
And then I brought it back here, and I told Jack I just wanted to do stock 302 and put the existing C4 against the 302, leave it carbureted, and that's it, and just go back out and play.
Yeah.
And so I found a used 302, I took it to Jack's dad.
Hell yeah.
And he was like, this thing's garbage, and wouldn't let me see it, and he threw it away. And he sends me a listing of a 351, which is in there now.
Okay.
With a forged crank, some good connecting rods, and then a billet girdle. And then Jack's dad built it. So now we got a 351 forged rotating assembly, Phi-Tech EFI, Edelbrock air gap, Edelbrock performer heads.
Okay.
And then some badass over the frame headers that, again, Jack built.
Hell yeah.
And then my buddy Georgie welded.
Yeah, dude, Jack's like some sort of hidden gem. You know, I think like, dude, he's putting out some good stuff, man. Oh, did you guys ever dyno this thing?
We did. It still needs a little more tuning, but last time we dynoed it, it was at 295.
Hell yeah.
For the tire, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, and these are 37s?
Yes, 37s on race lines, feedlocks. The two back ones are bent.
Okay.
From Hell Track.
Damn you, Hell Track.
Yeah.
Taking more rims.
You know, I think just the way it looks with like the, what is that, 96 glass on it, right?
Yes.
And 96 lights and everything. It's just so original. It looks so clean and awesome. And I was just saying, like, the more I stare at this truck, I'm like, damn, I really love this truck, man. Anything else you want to talk about up here?
I mean, just like Jack has said, like, you know, the right coolers are a must.
Just go CBR right out of the gate. Don't buy anything else. They all suck. CBR is the best.
CBR, obviously the best. That's my engine oil cooler.
Okay.
And then I got two CBR trans coolers on the back.
Okay.
And I got power steering cooler right up here.
Okay.
Just to get rid of that old Ford power steering wine.
Right on.
So it's nice having a Ford with a Ford motor and no power steering wine.
That's pretty cool.
They do.
Because usually these are just LS swapped, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Jack's dad wouldn't let me put a Chevy in it.
He's like, sorry, man. Sorry.
They
it
didn't
has to
say
stay
sorry.
true.
They said you're putting in a Ford.
Yeah, how dare you, huh?
We got some Baja designs.
Oh, yeah, this.
How do you like these lights up here, man?
That's all you need. I got a light rack in the back with some knockoff LEDs.
Yeah.
And this thing overpowers them easily.
That's
like,
wild.
I have the light rack there, honestly, now because it looks cool.
Yeah.
Until I get something real on there.
You and Jack built this, or like I heard that he kind of guided you, right?
Yeah, so this was, I really am not an experienced fabricator. Brought this truck over here. I had known Jack for a little bit, and I brought it over here just to do body mounts before it was ever caged.
Okay.
And I pulled the body mounts, I pulled the carpet up to the body mounts, and Ben over there, my buddy, he said, oh, you can start a cage right now. I know you have money in your account. And he cut a hole in my floor.
Oh, shit.
Stole someone's tube and started my cage. And then from there, like, it was just full snowball, full, like, poor financial decisions.
Yeah. Yeah,
and
yeah.
I regret nothing.
All right, cool, man. Let's head to the back. It's really good paneling back here too.
Thank you.
Looks really good.
All the bead rolling was done by Jack. I cut everything out and fitted everything, and then I'm just not too talented on a bead roller.
Okay.
So
That takes a special skill.
yeah, I mean Jack had never done it either. He's just
Just went for it. He's
Yeah,
like,
he's
you're
just-
not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
exactly. So he's like, just draw everything out the way you want it and get everything even, and
Okay.
then we'll bead roll it. So
Hell
everything's
yeah.
bead rolled. It's shrunk. All the side panels, there's a little panel of it is bead rolled.
Okay.
It's got a working trunk as well.
Okay.
That's something I wanted, and I've seen it. It's not like super special, but it's just so nice being able to store stuff,
Nice. Ooh.
like old beer cans.
Stuff. You can put a lot of things here.
Yeah, pretty much whatever I want. But yeah, that's where the jack stays. This way it's out of the weather.
Yeah.
Not getting crap put on it.
Right on. What kind of rear end is this?
Yeah, so it's a 3.5-inch housing, 2.5-inch hubs, 40 spline axles on a 10-inch because like with you want big power and big
Yeah.
tires, you don't want to have problems. Just buy once and cry once. And
Yes,
like,
sir.
This is a prime example of that because it's been out 3 times now, and I'm not that good of a driver, and I didn't have any real problems.
Hell yeah, man. And then what brakes are on these guys?
Those are the Willwood 6 pistons,
Okay.
14-inch rotor, same as like Jack's front.
Same as Jack's. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice, man.
Yeah, big old 2.5-inch bumps.
Is this another Evan Weller third member?
No, that one, another swap meet find.
Swap meet
Yeah,
find.
it was just some, like, I don't know, some old trophy truck team. I got it off for Buddy.
Nice.
Fresh drive shaft built by OC Driveline.
So you were talking about the shock package back here.
Yep, just a 4.0, 2.5 in the back. Jack's got a 3.0.
Okay.
So this is a 2.5.
Okay.
And yeah, I mean, King is, like I said,
There it
buy
is.
once, cry once, buy the best of the best right off the bat.
Right on. Excellent. Do you know wheel travel numbers back here?
Yeah, so the rear is strapped at 24 and the front is strapped at 17.
Okay. Nice.
So, and it's a good mix. There's not
Perfect.
a ton of like dirty down travel.
Yeah.
The camber change isn't crazy. That droop, so it doesn't look tacky. Because sometimes like beam trucks,
Right.
when the droop is so bad, like the camber gets super positive and it just doesn't look right. Because I built this light rack
Okay.
and it's on an actuator. Most actuated light bars I've seen, they kind of move around a lot. But
Okay.
this one, you can feel it yourself. It is
Solid.
rigid.
Nice, man. And that was no pun on the light brand. What light
Oh,
brand's
sorry.
that?
It is super stiff. Those are crappy LED lights from Amazon.
Oh, okay.
That'll be changed. This is just a bearing or a clevis, the bearing inside of it, and just literally welded right to the cage.
Nice.
With a little support, just as simple as we could make it.
And it
to
works.
Keep it as durable, and it works great.
What size is this fuel tanker here?
That's just an RCI 32 gallon. The whole truck
Okay.
is painted. This is all steel it. So it's gray steel on the panels and black
Nice.
steel in the
Ooh,
cab.
this looks great, man.
And-
This almost looks like powder coated, dude. Very cool. And then here's your
Oh,
coolers
yeah.
back here.
CBRs, yeah, those are a must.
So you built all this good stuff, huh?
Yeah, that was all. Again, like a lot of
How-
direction from Jack.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
other than that, like it was mostly me.
Nice.
The back cage layout, my buddy Ben helped me with. You're gonna
Okay.
be doing his truck later.
Right.
So Ben helped me with the foundation of it. And you can't see it from the outside, but there's a ton of X's in here. X's here and there,
Yeah.
and then one on the bottom. And of course, like all the painstaking work that it goes into making an X junction,
You don't see
I
it.
had to cover up.
Ah, yeah. But you know down there the
Yeah,
skeleton.
but I know it's strong.
The skeleton is strong.
Yeah.
Nice. Always important, guys. Don't forget to have a fire extinguisher.
Even for Home Depot fire extinguishers.
Do what you got to do, man.
right.
Make it happen. You want to take us through the inside of this thing?
Absolutely, Yeah. This is a Fiberworks dash.
Ooh, and you guys wrapped it.
Yes, and then this is
Nice.
a console built, again, like I built this console, and it was initially fitted for like a stock Ranger dash. And when I fitted this dash, it just happened to fit pretty good. I had to add a couple little plates
Yeah.
to make everything kind of like blend together, but this console was initially on like a stock Ranger dash. And when I went to wrap it, my friend, this guy named Denham Cox, he came by one day and he was asking about the truck, and he goes, "Hey, like, who's gonna wrap your dash?" And I said, "I don't know, some cheap guy."
Yeah.
He goes, "Let me try it." And I was like, "Sure."
Let me try.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was like, yeah, whatever. You seem like a nice guy. And I gave him the dash and the console, and like a few weeks later, he came back with this.
Your freaking masterpiece, dude.
So
This is
Denham
like some.
is the man. He never does this. He like he's like a construction worker.
It was
like
just for some
BMX
fun.
rider. Yeah, he did this and crushed it. Did like some nice like silver stitching to kind of like match the seats.
So fire suppression?
Fire suppression up at the cab and then at your feet,
Very important.
like on the bottom right there.
Very important. Nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh, PRP double wides. I'm not a big guy. I'm only like 5'10", like 220. And these
But you want
seats-
these you want them comfortable.
They're comfy, but they're too big for me.
Really?
So yeah, for all the plus size guys out there, and any of my friends that are like big guys that hop in the passenger seat, they love it.
And down in Mexico, you have too many tacos, double wide, you're good, bro.
Oh yeah.
And then I see you got is this like stock carpet?
Yes, that's my junkyard actually.
No way.
Yeah. So
That's great.
Like, well, I went and found the cleanest one I could, and then took it here, shampooed it, vacuumed it, shampooed it, vacuumed it, and then cut it into 4 pieces and
Okay.
shoved it under everything.
Awesome. Dude, it looks phenomenal in here, man. This is straight luxury pre-runner in here.
Almost. All I need is air conditioning.
A rugged system.
Yeah, that's a 50 watt, I think.
Very cool.
And then, like, I like that radio a lot because I bought that and Jack helped me hook it up, and I think we had it hooked up and running maybe in 10 minutes.
No way.
Super user friendly.
Nice.
And it's worked perfect the whole time. I initially wanted to get like PCI because I heard they're the best, but
Right.
I just went with that because it was cheaper.
Battery cutoff thing right here.
Oh yeah.
You got that
Yeah,
guy
it's a
right
must.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you guys got a built-in cup holder.
Oh yeah, I got 2
Cooler.
couplers. Yeah, that have on my fender washers, obviously, but
Excellent. And then look at all these badass black gauges that look awesome, dude.
Oh, what steering wheel is this?
that's MPI on a
Oh.
sweet disconnect and then a BMS steering column.
Nice, man.
I broke a lot of stock steering columns
Right.
because my truck used to break a lot.
Okay.
And then driving without power steering,
Right.
you just shred that thing. So I
Yeah.
got like the best one I can get my hands on. And it happened to be a BMS down the street.
We're actually doing a Terra Crew MPI steering wheel.
Oh, sick.
So hopefully.
This thing's pretty faded, so I might take you up on that.
Yeah, dude. We'll let you guys know. We're only making I think we're only making 50 of them. We're fans of MPI. What's up, Mike from MPI? So those should be coming out pretty soon. And most importantly, I see you have a spare shoe of Vans back here.
Of course.
Always from the desert.
Yeah.
Right on, man. You guys did a great job in here.
Thank
Seriously, hats off to you guys. You guys crushed it.
Yeah, the KC Cyclones.
The KC Cyclones, man. These are the ones. Windows. I mean, look at this. Look at these panels.
Oh, yeah,
It's just
stock
stock panels. Beautiful. This is the way to go. Well, all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Peter's truck is awesome. Definitely looking forward to seeing this thing in action. Hopefully, we'll catch him in Glamis with some paddles on this thing. If you guys have any questions for Peter or for Bent Tube Motorsports, you guys can leave them in the comments. We'll have those boys check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Share this video if you guys know somebody building a truck. Support, subscribe, and all that crap so we can still make these videos for you guys. That's it. Have a good one. That's it. Later, guys.
All right, I also want to have a trunk space. It's nice being able to carry stuff.
Yeah. What the?